Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a recipe for crispy, spicy chicken wings. They are exactly like you get at KFC. Same outer crispy coating with juicy chicken inside, and today I am air frying them. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First, we'll prepare a chicken wings. Now, if you have the facility to ask the shopkeeper to do that for you, go ahead and do that. What I'm doing here, with the help of knife, I'm just taking off the tip of the chicken wing. Now here you can see the wings have two parts, and we need to cut it down from the middle with the bone. So with the help of knife, first I cut the skin off, then just hold it and twist a little, the bone will loosen itself. Then with the help of knife, just cut the all the flesh and skin, and now you have three pieces of one chicken wing. So we will use all the meaty, like two parts of the meaty chicken wing, and for the tip, just don't discard it, save it in the freezer, and then we can make delicious chicken broth out of them. After washing them and draining them, now I am taking a shallow dish, adding some white distilled vinegar in there. Then I will add some salt, red chili powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of water. And what I am doing here, it's called brine method. It actually adds flavor and keep the meat tender and juicy. So after everything is mixed with vinegar and water, we just add the chicken wings in there. Make sure all the chicken pieces are dipped in the water. You can add more water to dip in the pieces. Now cover and let it sit in the fridge at least 4 to 6 hours, or overnight is preferred. Then discard all these juices and strain the chicken pieces. Now in a bowl, I am making a little bit of mixture with mustard, chili paste, salt, red chili powder, and garlic powder. Mix everything well, and then we will add our chicken wing pieces in there, and then with the help of hand, just mix everything on, and so all the mixture will adhere to chicken wings, and then cover and let it rest for like an hour or two. Now we're gonna make our flour mixture to make our chicken wings crispy. I have all-purpose flour and I'm adding just salt in there. If you want, you can add their seasoning, or you can add baking powder as well, but chicken wings already have that skin which will make them crispy. Here in the bowl I have cold chilled water. I'm taking the wings out from the fridge. Now what I'll do is pick up each piece of chicken wing and dredge them in the flour mixture. Just coat the chicken wing well, and then with the help of hand, just rub it like this. Just press the flour on the chicken wing, and then just pick up a piece, just tap on the side, so it will dust out the excess flour, and then we will dip our chicken wings in this cold water just once, and then quickly take it out, and then dredge them again in the flour. Now if you want, you can just fill up the cold water in this spray, and then you can spray the piece as well. All this process will create that extra layering and crispiness on top of it. Here you can see it. Now I will repeat the same process with all of my chicken wings pieces and place it on a platter. Now I'll go and you put them in an air fry, which is already preheated. I'm lightly greasing the base of my air fryer and putting chicken wings in a single layer. Now I will spray the cooking oil again and try to cover all the chicken wings. And now I'm putting it on 360 degrees, or if you have a cooked chicken option in your air fryer, and cook them for at least 18 to 20 minutes, or again it depends on your air fryer setting, and cook them until they are completely cooked. And here you can see these crispy, spicy chicken wings are ready to serve. They turn out delicious, they turn out crispy, and they are amazing. Now I want you guys to come along and check, even after air frying, how crispy they are. And now if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.